Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable multi-windows for all apps on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this upfront informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on advanced features. Then locate and click on labs. Under labs, turn on multi-window for all apps. And then come back, go ahead and click on multi-window. Then you may want to turn on all of this. And now when next you want to use two applications on the same screen, all you simply need to do is locate the application you want to use on the same screen and then set them like this. To set the application, you simply need to go ahead, press and hold one of the applications, then it's going to appear on multi-window like this. Then go ahead and select the other application you want to use alongside the multi-window application. So this is different from split screen, but it works in a similar way. And that's it. So if you found this upfront informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.